यतः अद्वेष्टा अपि भवति कश्चित् भ्रातव्यः. Somebody said, why you are giving bad name to step brother? That his step brother can't conquer. Well, it is possible that somebody has step brother like Bharat. See the last from the bottom 6th line. Yataha adveshta api bhavati kaschit bhratavya bharatadi tulya. कोई ऐसा हो सकता है भरत के तरह भाई कोई स्टेप ब्रदर हो, लेकिन स्टेप ब्रदर में है प्रॉब्लम. यस्तु इंद्रिय विषय असंग जनितः पापमा भ्रातव्यः द्वेष्टा च. So बोले what is this step brother? I am telling you, इंद्रिय विषय संग जनितः पापमा भ्रातव्यः. You know what is step brother? The attachment born out of the sense organ and sense organ. ये देखो, attachment born out of the sense object and sense organ is your step brother. Lo. Because that is not from you, that is not from yourself. You are making something yours which is not there. It is different than you, and you are fighting with that. So when this knowledge takes place, what will happen? Then it will all be destroyed like that mud was destroyed. All your weaknesses get destroyed by this knowledge. बड़े होके रहो भाई. There are two ways to live in this world. In front of Lord, be smallest. In front of world, be biggest. Be everybody or be nobody. Don't try to be somebody. If you are doing upasana, everybody is mine now. हमारी ये भी एक फॉर्म है, वो भी एक फॉर्म है. And if you are doing bhakti, I am dasasya daso, like Bharatji was there. And if you are doing Vedant, then I am beyond nobody and everybody also. I am drishta of both. Samashti abhimani is upasana. And smaller and naganya, you need not count me, I am so small, is bhakti. And samashti veshti sakshi is Vedanta. But we live as one person, struggling in the world to get a position, struggling to get attention from somewhere, struggling to prove my point. Maro jao. Struggling to prove my point to somebody. One day he will understand what wrong he did or what right I did. He will never understand because he is also foolish. It doesn't matter, he understands, doesn't understand, I don't bother about it. I hope you are getting, this is the point. What is the upasana? This is called Vishuddharup Prana Upasana. So one word of prana is Vishuddharup Prana Upasana. Now from 8th to 16th mantra, prana has another name. What is the prana's name? Dura. Dura. Dur means distant. Yes. Okay. What is that? I'd like to read it. I just don't want to jump the mantras. I want to read all mantras. So let us read the mantras. 8 mantra 117. Te ho chuhu kvanu so bhut yah na itham asakta iti ajayam asyantariti so ayasya angiraso anganam hi rasaha. 9th Sava Esha Devata Durnama Duram Yasya Mrityuh Duram Hava Asman Mrityur Bhavate Ya Evam Veda. 10th mantra. 1, 2, 3. 123rd. सा वा एषा देवता एतासां देवतानां पाप्मानं मृत्युम् अपहत्य यत्रासां दिशाम् अन्तः तद्गमयञ्चकार तदासां पाप्मनः विन्यत अददा तस्मान्न जनमियात् नान्तमियात् नीत्पाप्मानं मृत्युम् अन्ववायनीति. 11th 125. सा वा एषा देवता एतासां देवतानां पाप्मानं मृत्युम् अपहत्य अथैना मृत्युम् अत्यवहत. स वै वाचम् एव प्रथम आमत्यावहत्सा यदा मृत्युम् अत्यम् उच्यत सो अग्नि अभवत सोऽयमग्निः परेण मृत्युम् अतिक्रांतो दीप्यते. अथ प्राणम् अत्यवहत स यदा मृत्युम् अत्यमुच्यत स वायुः अभवत सोऽयं वायुः परेण मृत्युम् अतिक्रान्तः पवते. अथ चक्षुः अत्यवहत तत् यदा मृत्युम् अत्यमुच्यत स आदित्यो भवत सोऽसावादित्यः परेण मृत्युम् अतिक्रान्तः तपति. अथ श्रोत्रम् अत्यवहत तत् यदा मृत्युम् अत्यमुच्यत तादिशो भवन् ता इमा दिशः परेण मृत्युम् अतिक्रान्ताः. अथ मनोत्यवहत तत् यदा मृत्युमत्युमुच्यत स चन्द्रमा अभवत सोऽसौ चन्द्रः परेण मृत्युम् अतिक्रान्तः. भात्येवं हवा एनम् एषा देवता मृत्युम् अतिवहति य एवं वेद. So this from 8th to 16th mantra, Upanishad is giving another name for prana. What is the name of the prana? I will give you in short. Here the name of the prana is Dur. Earlier was Vishuddha. 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 Earlier was Vishuddha. From 1st to 7th mantra, the name of the prana was Vishuddha. Few names will be given, you keep in mind. Why Vishuddha? Absolutely pure. What is impurity? Impurity is that you have emptiness. You have kept a possibility of being sad. Feeling empty without world is impurity. If you feel empty without God, that is very good. But you feel empty without some person and without money, that is a impurity. Now in this portion, another name is called Dura. So Pranasya Dur iti nama. I can't go each and every mantra and explain in very much detail, but I'll give you the main point. Because I have to go further. It is very big Upanishad. So Dur means far away. Achha. So why it is called Dur here? Because Mrityu is far away from Prana. क्या? मृत्यु, death is far away. अच्छा? मृत्योः दूरत्वम दूरनामत्वम. So what is mrityu? Negative thinking, feeling of sadness, okay, wrong notions. और बोल दे attachment. बोले तो सारे ही हमारे ऊपर आ रहा है. All is for me only. So, negative thinking means that thinking which will make you feel fearful. You have kept a big possibility of being afraid. Supposing I am very attached with you. Supposing I am not. So if I am very attached to you, I always have fear from you. I will not lose you. And supposing I hate you, then also I will have fear that you may not do something wrong to me. Supposing I have abhiman, I will have fear that nobody can make me small. भाई fear कभी तो कारण है ना. भर्तृहरि says भोगे रोग भयम. हाँ पूरा करो. हाँ कुले च्युति भयम. हाँ वित्ते नृपालाद भयम. I'm coming in short. सर्वं वस्तु निभयान्वितं लोके वैराग्यम एव अभयम. पढ़ो नीति षटकम वैराग शतकम. We should read all these things. In Vairag Shatkam it comes. Beautiful line. Everything cannot be taken in the camp. You have to do it something out of the camp also. So, sarvam vastuni bhayanvitam loke. So here everything is endowed with fear. अब उसी का नाम मृत्यु है. And people use also, something is not, बोले मर गए. अब fear comes, क्या होगा? अरे क्या डरना जी, क्या डरना? Why are you so afraid of that? So this kind of vyashti abhiman is mrityu. सुनना ध्यान से. I will come to the bhashya also. Very beautiful some lines are there. Vyashti abhiman, abhiman with something small, and please note my point. Anything which has a shape will be under attack. Don't expect that to be there with you. Anything with a shape, body, somebody, will always be in the gal of Kal. It will be Kal Grasit. Time is opening its mouth to just gulp it. Kisko? Is shape ko. So therefore, there is no point in having the possibility of fear. We are Vichitra people. We have all possibilities of fear. What is it called? Sadness, anger, and we want a happy life. वाह, क्या बात है. सब कुछ है. अटैचमेंट भी बना के रखा है, हेट्रेड भी है, अभिमान भी है, काम है, क्रोध है. आई वॉन्ट टू बी हैप्पी. ठिंगा मिलेगा. यू वोंट गेट एनीथिंग. दिस मीन्स नथिंग. नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. बिकॉज ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज यू आर सिटिंग ऑन ऑल बम्स इनसाइड. यू विल हैव ओनली ब्लास्ट. ही सेड लाइक दैट. इतना अभिमान होगा तो दुखित हो गई होगा. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दुख नहीं होगा, अभिमान होगा दुख नहीं होगा. बोले ही सेड लाइक दैट. हाँ, एवरीबडी सेड, पीपल से टू मी ऑल्सो, टू हिम ऑल्सो, आई ऑल्सो मूव अहेड. सो मृत्यु शुड नॉट बी देयर. सो हियर ही सेज because this is prana and which is not attached to one form, therefore mrityu is dur from the prana. Abhiman means instinctive tendency to see the small body as big. Instinctive habit of trying to make a very insignificant and small body big in others' eyes. This is called abhiman. अब कहाँ से ये small body big? Who will think it is big? And therefore all this evil thinking of the upasak will be thrown out dur by the prana upasana. Because he thinks that this prana is everywhere, in everything. So why should I get attached to small when the big prana is there? And therefore he has developed a freedom. दूर हो गई. अच्छा, हाँ. So one should take refuge in this prana, not in ahankar. We take refuge in ahankar. Like Kekai took refuge in mantra. So we have our own mantra, local mantra. That Ayodhya mantra is not there, but our own Bhed Buddhi is the mantra. And Kekai is the Buddhi. So Kekai is constantly poisoned by this mantra. And this mantra sends Ram to forest. That Ram who should be in our heart, which is Ayodhya, that Ram had been banished to the forest along with Lakshmanji and Sitaji. So Ayodhya will be sad then. How can heart be happy with the Bhed Buddhi ruling there? Got my point? Okay. And therefore, this upasana of prana, which upasana of prana? Which upasana? That God. प्राण आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, आप राम रख लो नाम, कृष्ण रख लो नाम. हाँ बोले हाँ, दिस इज ओके, दिस प्राण. हाँ प्राण आई सो डिफिकल्ट अपीयर्स. हमारे राम कृष्ण शिव जी अच्छे हैं, उनको रख लो आप. हम तो उनके लिए जी रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट लिविंग फॉर दिस बॉडी, आई एम लिविंग फॉर दैट बिग बॉडी who is in you also, in him also, and her also. I am living for that body, and he is important. He is not identified with one body, he is in all bodies. So his name is Dur, because it keeps the death dur. Mrityu is not physical death, it is the emotional death that we have. Physical death is once a life, but emotional death is every day. Therefore, Shakespeare has to say, cowards die many times before their death. Cowards die many times before their death. I will now take you to the few lines. I am not able to stop my tempting lines. Page 121. Page 121. Second paragraph. It is 7th line. प्राण देवताया मिला. प्राण देवता, पेज 121, 7th line. प्राण देवताया मृत्यु. हाँ, संग लक्षण पापमा. See the word. So before है दूरे ही यस्माद यस्याः प्राण देवतायाः. 5th case, from that prana devata, this mrityu, अच्छा हाँ, this mrityu, what is this mrityu? Mrityu, asang lakshana. This is of the nature of attachment. Lo bhaiya. They attack at, like the Vaidya holds the nerves at the point. They only touch at the very weak point of a person. बोलेंगे मृत्यु है, मृत्यु, what is that मृत्यु? Asang lakshana papma, and this is what pap. And this prana keeps this mrityu away. Attachment to understand, no? Some things we are very close, we don't understand that. Attachment is with some very finite name, with very finite form, I want infinite joy. An infinite attention, an infinite love, an infinite importance. If somebody has talked to me for 5 days, okay, 6th day he talked to somebody else and he left me. So all 5 days what he did, I don't bother. Why he was talking? You are expecting too much. So where you are attached, you become illogical. What you are asking, he can't give. You are asking something which is not givable. So asakti means you are becoming very illogically foolish. Because that thing cannot give you what you want. ये मान के चलो कि वो दे नहीं सकता है नहीं वहां पे वो. अच्छा, हाँ. And what is prana? Please see next line. Asamshlesh dharmitvat. Prana is asang. Prana is not, it cannot attach with one thing because Kriya Shakti goes everywhere. My Kriya Shakti and your Kriya Shakti is same. The Kriya Shakti in the sun is same. Same God goes everywhere. So that which goes everywhere, He is not only with one. Like this space goes everywhere. So space is not attached to one body. Okay. Water may be. So asamshlesh dharmitvat pranasya samipasthasyapi duratah mrityoho. So this is closest, but this is a distance from the death. And therefore this prana is called dur because it keeps the death far away. I am repeating is, death means sadness, death means fear, death means anger, death means liking. This sara jo, you feel all of a sudden empty emotionally, that is called death. सब चला गया हमारा, ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं. Okay. I have understood. So one upasak who does this upasana of prana as mrityu, and then what he thinks? He thinks that in that there is no bereavement. In the God there is no bereavement. In the God there is no going away. In the God non-snatchability is there. In the God it is not that I have to possess then only, or he should not possess. And one who does this kind of upasana, then what happens? That he has fearlessness. He is fearless from mrityu. देखो इसका नाम, second नाम. First was Vishuddhi. Second is mrityu. Okay. हाँ? क्या हुआ? दूर, you heard mrityu. It happens. So first was Vishuddhi and second is dur. Second is dur. And one line, just for your sadhana, you underline last paragraph of this page, is defining upasana word. Upasana nama. Got it? Upasana nama upasyarthvade यथा देवतादि स्वरूपम श्रुत्वा ज्ञाप्यते तथा मनसा उपगम्य आसनम चिंतनम लौकिक प्रत्यय अव्यवधानेन यावत् तद्देवतादि स्वरूप आत्म अभिमान अभिव्यक्ति रीति लौकिक आत्म अभिमानवत. One sentence. What is that? What is upasana? The form of the devata which the Shruti describes, bringing that form and that nature in the mind and sitting mentally with that nature, avoiding all the dissimilar thought repeatedly. And as I am identified with the present body, I identify with that particular bigger thought. Up means close, asan means sitting. Sitting means chintan, meditating. Mentally you bring that bigger Pran or bigger Ram or bigger Krishna in your mind. Mentally. And as I am identified to this body, I get identified to that bigger body. And if dissimilar thought comes, I neglect it. I don't give a value to it. This is just incidental point. Okay. So what happens with that upasana? So with this upasana, he crosses mrityu. Simple thing is there. And because of this upasana, this vag ityadi, this sense organs, devatas, they became bigger. I hope this much is enough for your understanding. So this is the second name. First was Vishuddhi, second is Dur. Now what is the third name? Achha, one more point is written here. Funny points are there, but interesting is there. It is said here that this Virat, this Pran Shakti, he took away and took the pap far away. See, where the directions end, there he had thrown the sin and took away the devatas, indicating meaning. Again, this Pran, he separated the devatas from the sin and threw the sin towards where the directions end. That means very far away. Acha? And therefore, and so that nobody can go close to that sin. Why he took far away? Like you catch a snake in your house. Then I hope you will go out and you will throw the snake somewhere far away, in some jungle or somewhere, so that doesn't come again in your house. Similarly, he discovered the pap and he threw it far away. So that again this pap cannot touch that devatas, Agni, etc. And this is called Antyaj. Antyaj. So which has been given up. So this has been given up. So this Antyaj means where everything is, where something is with the attachment. So it is written here in the page 125. Tasmat tam antyam janam niyat na gachet. So one who is Antyaj means one who has this sin of attachment. One who has this sin of attachment which he had thrown, one should not go to them. Lo. Niyat gachet sambhashan darshanadi bihi na samsrijet. One who is too worldly, in short, one who has lot of sins, better to keep a distance from that, because it will be very easy to bring out my weaknesses. The point is that if you want to get out of weaknesses, please don't revel in the company of the same weakness which you want to get out of it. If you have Namaste, I'm going faster. क्योंकि if somebody is having sin, so you will also be a party to that sin. You will also be taking that sin from that. Therefore, niyat, it should be far away. This is the topic of this particular mantra. So 2 meanings we saw now of the pran. And this is what Kekai did. Kekai's problem was when Mantra told that you know what is the news. He said, what is the news? First, she told, why your hanging face? Did Lakshman scold or what? He said, no, one news is there. Ram's Abhishek is going to be there. Kekai took out her necklace. He said, lo, what a good news you have given. Ram loves me so much. Now, she should have nipped in the bud. But now she said, you don't know. He said, Acha, what is the problem? I will hit you, Kekai said. Don't try to do anything to Ram. It started like that. After that, she started her bean. Like you catch the snake, she started her bean. And you know what was the weak point? She said, false. That when Ram will become, you will be, Rajmata will be Kaushalya, you and Bharat will be in the prison. That was a very weak point. That Bhed Buddhi between Kaushalya, she brought it out. Bas. What you are already weak in, why you go to a situation to bring out that weaknesses? When, those who are cancer patients, they put a mask, they catch infection. So they say don't go to the hospital and all these places. Because already there is infections are too much. Or don't go to that ward. Why to go when you are already weak? Why to go? Same thing Kekai did with Bharatji. She tried to tell, but he was unfazed, what you call. Because that infection was not in him. But infection was in Kekai, and therefore she got affected badly. That Bhed Buddhi she brought, that Bharat is different, Ram is different. She forgot that Bharat is the shadow of Ram. You can't separate shadow and the person. And this is called Papma. Don't do that Antyaj. Those who have that sins, those who live in that sin, those who eat that sin, at least keep a mental distance, if not physical distance. That means mentally don't think about Kam, Krodh, etc. Otherwise, it will bring out the whole gunpowder that you are having if you are on this path. This is the second meaning. First was Vishuddhatvam, second is Duratvam. What is third? Third we will see in our next class.